Here's one bad breath treatment that works. But the taste.
Here's another. Tastes terrific. In fact, Scope's one treatment that works because of how it tastes. Minty, fresh. You can feel the Scope treatment work nicely.
Now that's a treat.
Mint.
A treatment. So it's not just a treatment. It's a treatment. Very good. I like that.
Me too.
The Treat Mint of Scope now comes in crystal clear, shatterproof plastic.